now we are approaching the most important area of this building. The preferred club lounge reception.
Okay.
These? The preferred club lounge reception. Okay, there are the others. With your key, you have access. Place your key in this white spot here. This white caution.
Okay.
You have access.
Hola.
There you have snacks.
Okay.
There's a bar.
Okay. Interesting. Yeah. Okay.
This is Roberto. We will continue with you.
Okay. Okay. Who's opening the door?
It's a room tour.
Room 2004.
It's a room tour for the room. So, this is the bathroom. It's pretty nice. Probably there's another one, by the way.
Huh?
There's another one, by the way.
Oh, there's another bathroom?
There's like
Ooh, how about some? Oh, wow. Coffee and a big refrigerator and an aru. What is this? Oh, wine cooler? Oh, and then, Hikare, what about this?
that's the dining table.
Oh, okay.
This is like the living room, but there's like an extra bed here. I have no idea where this came from.
Okay.
We upgraded, by the way.
Oh, okay. Oh, how cozy is the bed, the couch bed?
There also is there is a little glass king and a king size bed. Very nice.
Uh-huh.
And a really neat bathroom.
Oh, okay. A lot of space. A lot of space. Oh, double sinks.
And there
Showers too?
last.
There's showers too? Whoa. Double showers? Wow.
Okay. Now for the last little bit.
Tiny surprise? Okay, we're coming.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Whoa. Outdoor area. And there's a jacuzzi. And there's a lounging area.
There's also a door from the bedroom to the pool.
Oh wow, so you can come straight from the bedroom to the pool. Oh, this is a jacuzzi area? Wow. Wow. And this is like a private pool area? And you got the main pool over there? And you got the ocean right over there. Very cool. Yeah? Very cozy, very comfy.
Look at my feet. Look at my feet. Right here, we have like this table, and we got a rack for
Uh-huh.
And
Is that everything?
wait a second. I'm gonna go do.
All done?
Wait, I'm gonna do something.
Okay.
Then gotta watch it.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Hi, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this room tour.